Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've been busy filming for the last couple of hours. I've got a load of new beauty boxes to share with you. This one hasn't even been released yet. Well, not on general sale anyway, on the website. This is from John Lewis and this is the Ultimate Travel Beauty Box. I want to thank one of my followers for messaging me to let me know that this is available. I wouldn't have had a clue. I am signed up to John Lewis and I do have a rewards card, but yeah, I obviously pay no attention to emails, clearly. But it's on exclusive early access. I've tried searching for information about when it will become available on their website and I can't find anything. It contains 18 travel essentials. It has a value of £188 and could be bought for £60. So you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, let's get on to show you then what's inside. Starting off, we've got a Shampoo Conditioner Duo by Wella Professionals. This is Ultimate Repair with AHA and Omega-9 shampoo, and we've got an Ultimate Repair mask. Two there. So the shampoo repairs, strengthens and moisturises all hair types, and there's 100 mils. And the mask repairs, strengthens and smooths all hair types, and there's 75 mils there. Then we've got a little living proof. This is a Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. Actually cleans hair and softens and shines, and there's 90 mils here. This is a really good one. I've used this many times. I do like it when we get these in beauty boxes. I try not to use it as much as possible, as then it stops me from washing my hair more regularly. Because I'm suffering with hair loss at the moment, I have to wash my hair frequently to remove all the oils off my scalp. So yeah, dry shampoo is not the best for me, but I will use it if I need to. Then we've got something else for your hair. I'm going through all the hair stuff first, aren't I? I'm just seeing if we've got anything else. Yeah, we do. This is Larry King. And this is Hair Care Spoilt for Choice. It's a multitasking hair oil with rosemary. And there's 30 mils there. It says, our multitasking hair oil is a true overachiever. Use it as a strengthening and nourishing hair mask, scalp remedy, styling or finishing product. I've always been put off by hair oils because I just find that they tend to weigh my hair down. But I have got tape-in hair extensions to thicken up my natural hair. It actually doesn't feel that bad. It doesn't feel like a proper sticky tacky oil. It feels quite, oh, you can really smell the rosemary. It just feels like a very lightweight thin oil. Oh, that might work actually. That might be really nice. Put the rest into my hair. I'm sure I've had it before, but I've probably never used it. I might have just passed it on. Then we've got Almond. We're seeing this a lot in beauty boxes. This is a slightly bigger version of what we have been seeing. This is by L'Occitane, and this is a shower oil. It's cleansing and softening, and there is 75 mils here. This is a really nice product. It smells really nice as well. And yeah, it's a nice little travel size there. Then we have got a special cleansing gel by Dermalogica. There's 50 mils here. This is a good cleanser. I've used it many times. It's a foaming gel. And it is... Ooh, let's try and get it out. It's soap-free for all skin conditions. It removes impurities without disturbing the skin's natural moisture balance. This iconic cleanser, which contains naturally foaming... Oh, I can't even say this. What the heck? Quillaja saponaria. Gently rinses away toxins and debris to leave skin feeling smooth and clean. It's a lightweight one as well. Got a cleanser. We've got a face mask. Well, it's for your eyes. Patchology, served chilled on ice. It contains peptides, cloudberry oil and bakuchiol. There's one pair in here. And yeah, I love cold under eye products. I am loving, actually, it's a roll-on serum. It's by Cora, it's a Greek brand, but it contains caffeine. It's an under eye serum basically. So instead of using a cream, which I normally use, I've been using that recently, and oh, I just love the feel of it. It's a roller ball, so it feels cold as well. But yeah, patches and things like this, I always put in the fridge before I use them. I just love the feeling. It depuffs the skin, so yeah, it's great. It just says leave on for 5 minutes and then discard. We've got here the Ordinary. What is this? This is a squalene amino acids lip balm, 15 mils. Oh, I've never had this before from the Ordinary. Look how cute the packaging is. There, so it's a really nice balm. Oh, it feels really, really nice. No scent. There's no extra information. Just apply to your lips as needed. It's more like a treatment for your lips. Yeah, like that. Then we got something else for your hair. This is Moroccan Oil Frizz Shield Spray. Frizz prone hair. Frizz control. 50 mils. Spray throughout clean dry hair, comb to distribute evenly and blow dry in sections, and then follow with a flat iron for extra anti-freeze benefits. Freeze, not freeze, frizz. I think this will be a bit too much for me. Smells so nice. What have we got here? SPF for your face, factor 50. Love this one. This is Ultra Sun, moisturising, anti-aging, sun protection, sensitive skins, non-comedogenic, with antioxidants and ectoin. It's water resistant, advanced Swiss formula, made in Switzerland. It's really good. I really like this one. A handy staple I've been using on and off for years. We tend to get it in beauty boxes around this time of year. Ready for the summer. Love the fact it's SPF 50. So yeah, definitely use that. Then we got another one by Shiseido, and this is Expert Sun Protector Lotion SPF 50. Protection veil strengthened by heat and water. Age defense and hydration. There's 7 mils here. So it's a little one. This is not going to last long on your body, is it? Not at all. Is it for your body? Yeah, I'm guessing it is. Very high protection. But I suppose if you really like it, then you can go out and buy the full size, which I'm guessing. But it would have been nice to have a larger size to take on holiday, as it's a travel essentials kit, isn't it? You'd think, oh, SPF is really high priority if you're going abroad or whatever. I can spot Medicate. I love this brand so much. This is Hydra 8 B5 Intense Hyaluronic Acid with NMF, Replenish and Boost. And there's 8 mils here. I use this more in the winter months. At the minute, actually, I'm using all Medicate, weirdly, except for the Korres, the eye serum. And then I use the new peptide serum. Then I've got, oh, I love it. It's SPF 50. Can't remember the name of it, but it's a moisturiser and SPF in one. I use that. So it's nearly all Medicate. I just love the brand. I use this more in the winter when my skin is a little bit more on the drier side. So yes, there's that. Still going strong, we've got Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Hydrating Day Cream. This is lovely, although it stinks of roses. I don't like English rose scents at all. And yeah, this range from Elemis does smell of English rose, but it's so lovely. I do like it. I like the cleansing balm as well, so I will definitely use it. It's just I don't like the smell. If it was a body lotion, I'd pass that on. I don't want that lingering on my body, but yeah, this is not too bad. There's 15 mils here. Then we've got one of my favourite, I was going to say moisturisers there. No, it's a mascara. This is by Benefit Fan Fest. Fanning and Volumizing Mascara. So it's a little mini one. When I first saw this in there, I thought, oh, it's the new Bounce one. I've yet to try that one. I just love Benefit mascaras. They're just so good. I'm glad I got another one of these, because the size is nice and handy to bring away anywhere I'm going. It's a really nice, slightly curvy wand there. Yeah, really great pigment as well. I do really like this. But if any of you have tried the new mascara from Benefit, yeah, let me know what you think of it. Then we've got Sol de Janeiro. This is a Bum Bum Body Scrub. Charosa 62 fragrance, caffeine-rich guarana extract, and crushed kapuaku seeds. How much is here then? It's a little one, 20 grams. It's all gone dark in here all of a sudden. So sorry if the lighting has changed. See there. That looks so good, doesn't it? So nice to prep feet or to remove fake tan, maybe. And then we've got Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturiser. 7 mils here. Really like this one as well. It is a luxurious, thick, heavily scented cream, but it is so lovely. It is really nice, and makeup sits really nicely on top whenever I use it. So I'll definitely use that. 2 more to go. We got a perfume, and this is Versace Bright Crystal. And I think there's 5 mils there. I can't read the bottom. I like normal crystal, but what is bright crystal? Let's put a bit there. It's not horrible. Now that it's sort of dying down a little bit, oh, you're gonna hate me for saying this. It's got that sort of farm smell in it. What is it that smells of farms? I know a lot of you have said, oh, could it be jasmine? But I love loads of perfume with jasmine in it. I actually like the original Crystal, but no, now that it's died down, I don't like this one. It has got like a farmy smell to it. What the heck is it? Shall I ChatGPT it? I'm obsessed with ChatGPT. My God, it helps me. Helps me choose hair colours, helps me choose foundations, helps me... Oh, it's just brilliant. I'm obsessed with it. I'm on it every single day, always asking something. Just ask ChatGPT. Why do some perfumes remind me of farms? Like Versace Bright Crystal, and there's a Floral Street one as well, which I can't remember what it is. Musk or animalic notes. Animalic notes. These are often used as base notes in perfumes to add warmth and depth. Natural musk, no longer commonly used, and synthetic musks can sometimes smell slightly sweaty or barnyard-like to sensitive noses. Flowers like jasmine and tuberose contain indole, a compound that occurs naturally in both flowers and feces. Oh my gosh, at low levels. Smells floral and heady at high levels. It can smell off like manure or decay. Okay, I'm not going mad then. I've obviously got a super sensitive nose. Perfume like vetiver, patchouli, hay or moss can smell earthy, grassy or musty, sometimes interpreted as farm-like. So this one in particular, it contains pomegranate, peony, magnolia and musk. The musk-peony combo may create that slightly sour, earthy vibe. That is so interesting. At least I know that I'm not completely crazy. I'm sorry if this is your favourite perfume. I am sorry. And then lastly, we have got here, this is Nude Sticks. I'll just get the wrapper off. And this is Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil in Sweet Cheeks. Oops, sorry, I just bashed the camera. Okay, let's try it on this hand. Looks like that. Yeah, a nice shade for both lips and cheeks. I'm not sure if I've already got this one. Do sometimes get these sticks in different beauty boxes, but yeah, I think that's nice. And there you go, those are all the products in the brand new John Lewis, the Ultimate Travel Beauty Box. It costs £60, has a value of £188, and it contains 18 beauty products. The only thing that stands out to me really is that it would have been great to have a larger size body SPF, because that one is not going to last. That's probably going to cover my chest and shoulders. That is it, basically, one use. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you going to get one for yourself? Have you bought one for yourself, or are you going to pass on it? It's not for you this time. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.